Princess Lamia, can you give us an example or story of some of the women that you've seen advance that have been on your teams and some of the success stories that you've been able to witness yourself?
I'll tell you a story about a project that I'm personally very proud of. So in 2015, actually 2014, we started a project. It's in favor of creating awareness about women's legal rights. Back then, in 2014, it wasn't that welcomed. It wasn't understood quite well, but we took the challenge and we kept it going till date. This project, we literally travel all around the kingdom in the most rural areas and the very hard areas to reach, just to create this awareness about legal rights for women. And then we saw that there is a need to upscale the knowledge, and we train lawyers just for them to practice law as well. So from our project, we graduated almost 600 female lawyers now are practicing, and yes, in Saudi Arabia, alhamdulillah. After that, we saw that there is a lot of privacy issues in there for, women who was violated or have a lot of, problems with their husbands or families or whatever. So we created an app, which is a very secure app for privacy for women. So you can go in this app and you take consultancy for free. You can file a lawsuit by this app, and it's all pro bono, zero charge. I'm very proud to announce that today, till date, we have 11,000 legal consultancy we provided, and we took almost 1,500 cases in favor of women. That was, in Saudi Arabia. So this is something that I'm very personally proud of. For me, I'm very proud of my team, honestly. I think this is a very good example for women empowerment. We're talking about literally 10 ladies handling, while me and you talking now over 55 projects with almost 80 plus partners, and as I told you, in 180 countries around the world. So when you believe in women, they do miracles. So now in the audience, we have three of my team. So sitting here today is 40% of Alwaleed Philanthropies team.